Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Samsung Galaxy A40 versus Samsung Galaxy M54 versus Samsung Galaxy A54. So let's see full video. Display type, display size, resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, screen protection, body design, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, water resistant, SIM slot, has colors, storage, has RAM, has memory, card slot, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera, rear camera megapixel, second camera megapixel, third camera megapixel, LED flash, has HDR, panorama, video recording, selfie camera, selfie camera megapixel, has HDR, video recording, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, has GPS, has GLONASS, has Galileo, has BDS, has QZSS, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB, has OTG, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, barometer, altimeter, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, launch, launch date, 5G network, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.